boys and girls, welcome to Gruvgear Guitar. We have Ollie here, we love him and his music. This time we have the song called Sunny While It Rains. So a great, nice song. And like always, we have this nice, simple melody, pretty much always like that, combined with some strumming we can use. So it's simple, and with a capo on third, we have the kind of best scenario for that. 4 chords, we're gonna look into the A minor, F, C, and E minor. So let's go and check them out. I'm gonna start with A minor first. That goes open A, second D, second G, first B, and open E. F, which is a bar chord. Your index finger placed on the first fret to push down all strings there. Then you need to add third A, third D, and second G. C next. And that goes third A, second D, open G, first B, and open E. And finally, we have the E minor. And that will be open E, second A, second D, open G, open B, and open E. All right, so we're gonna have 2 notes per chord when it comes to that melody. So A minor, you're gonna play open A, and then first B. Then you're gonna go over to the F part. You're gonna play first fret E string in the bass, and then second G. For C, you're gonna play third fret A and second D. And for E minor, you're gonna play open E in the bass, and then open G. So. Alright, now let's go and check out the strumming pattern for these chords. So now you have to use the full chords as they are. So grab the first chord, A minor, and one string around could be like this. So it's first one down, then down, up, clap, down. Down, down, up, clap, down. And a couple of rounds. Now you're gonna play one of these per chord. So A minor 1, F1, C1, E minor 1. And then you just loop that till the very end, like this. And that's it, my friends. One simple melody and one strumming pattern. That is what you need to create a cool song like Ollie's Sunny While It Rains. Hope you enjoyed this one. And until next time, play tuned.